The Bridge to Smart Design. Thank you for using Moldex3D eDesignSYNC for NX. Moldex3D eDesignSYNC for NX is an easy-to-use interface fully embedded into NX, providing a seamless workflow from design to Moldex3D simulation. With the interactive platform, it brings unique features and benefits to NX users. Features and benefits. The seamless workflow improves the modeling and simulation interpretability. The automatic true 3D meshing engine, the easy-to-navigate user interface and intelligent process wizards, full of support modules of Moldex3D eDesign, support of parallel processing for multi-core and multi-CPU. First, we will introduce the steps to import a model. After executing NX 7.5, click on File and Open to select a part file, then click Open to import the model. Users can select and import any solid part file. After importing the model, to start the pre-processing settings for the CAD model, please click the Moldex3D tab, which will show on the top of the menu. Our moves will all be completed under the Moldex3D eDesignSYNC tab within the NX environment. As you can see, Moldex3D eDesignSYNC provides a step-by-step workflow to guide our users to complete the pre-processing workflow efficiently. For this model, there is a solid part model and two kinds of line structures representing runner lines and cooling channels. We will set the part material properties first and then do the step-by-step for 3D pre-processing settings of runner, mold base, and cooling channels according to the 2D line structures. Now we will set up the part material. First, double-click the part icon to set up the part material. Left-click on part module and press OK. Then click Select Material and pick a desired material from the drop-down menu to be used for the simulation. Moldex3D eDesignSYNC supports a complete material database with more than 5,000 materials. Moldex3D also supports fiber-reinforced materials to perform fiber orientation simulation. For this demo, we choose the common ABS material. You can also click on the Advanced function to see the detailed database information. Right-click Add to Project and confirm the material setting before clicking OK. After the selection, you can see the material information for the part. Now we will set up the part insert properties. Moldex3D eDesignSYNC provides part insert features. If your part contains a part insert, you can set the material for the part insert here. Since there is no part insert in this model, we will go to the next step to set up a runner diameter. Now we will set up a runner diameter. First, you can set the runner parameter according to your model size. We will create direct gate for this model. For this demo, this will be a tapered sprue with a nozzle diameter of 3 mm and a gate size of 1.2 mm. To do this, please double-click the runner icon. Now select a runner line and click OK. By default, the runner type and diameter have already been set as a cold runner and are 5 mm as shown here. We will change the nozzle diameter to 3 mm and click OK. Next, double-click on the Runner 1 object. Here we change the diameter at the red end to 1.2 mm and click OK to confirm the setting. Now you will see that a solid sprue runner has been created. After completing the steps to set up the runners, we will start to set up the mold base size and material. Double-click the mold base icon to set up its size and material. The mold base setting will provide a recommended default value according to your model size. You can also define the size of the mold base on your own according to your design. For the mold base size, we will change the value of X, Y, and Z axis to 200 mm, 200 mm, and 100 mm. Then click on Select Material to continue. Here we use the default material for the mold material, then click OK to confirm the settings. Next we will talk about mold insert. Moldex3D eDesignSYNC can also support a mold insert. This function is the same as the part insert. It is optional. Since there is no insert in this model, we will go to the next step to set up cooling channel diameter. Set up cooling channel diameter. Double-click on the cooling channel icon to set up the diameter. Select the cooling lines and click OK. Here you can see the appropriate parameters according to the line structure and its size. You can also design the cooling channels on your own. For this demo, we define the diameter of cooling channels as 10 millimeters. To complete this setting, click OK. Now we have finished the solid CAD model setting. Create a melt entrance. Moldex3D eDesign provides the automatic melt entrance setting function. Here you can activate it to generate the melt entrance. Double-click the melt entrance icon to define the melt entrance. Click Yes to create the melt entrance automatically, or you can click No to define the melt entrance manually. Now you can see a red arrow on the model. This is the melt entrance. Finally, we will double-click on the Run Analysis icon to launch the analysis setup. Moldex3D eDesign provides complete analysis capabilities. In this demo, we will choose the full analysis with the analysis sequence of cool, flow, pack, cool, and warp. Next, based on your part design and the material you selected, Moldex3D eDesign will recommend proper process conditions to assist you. In this demo, we accept the default values, or you can modify these values to specific settings. You can also click the Advanced button to launch a more detailed process conditions settings window. Moldex3D eDesign will generate high-quality mesh automatically and efficiently. Moreover, we also provide a meshing level control interface to allow users to modify the mesh resolution according to your requirements. Within the index selection of the mesh, we raise the mesh level. The mesh density will also be increased. Click the Generate HTML Report box to automatically generate a report after the analysis. Click Analyze Now to launch the computation. The computation time will vary depending on the model size and mesh level selected. Generally, for a quick, true 3D mold filling simulation, Moldex3D eDesign will finish the analysis within 1 hour. Here you can see the analysis progress. We will skip ahead to when the computation has finished. Once the analysis is finished, an HTML report with the full results will show up automatically. This will include results such as the melt front time, air traps, and weld lines. You can share the simulation results with partners, executives, or customers to validate your part and mold design. You can also manipulate all of these simulation results inside of the Moldex3D eDesign environment. Thank you for watching this demonstration. If you need more information on Moldex3D eDesignSYNC for NX, please go to www.moldex3d.com.